Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Want to Ponder. Next in the DLD we'll see the logic circuit analysis using Boolean algebra. Now Boolean logic operations. First operation is logical addition. It is implemented by OR gate and symbol is as shown, that is like the plus. Logic multiplication, it is implemented by AND gate and symbol is dot. Logic conversion or complement, it is implemented by inverter and symbol is bar, or you can say apostrophe comma as we do in the apostrophe s. The OR operation, x is equal to a or b. Now this is OR addition. It is not an ordinary plus, but it is OR addition, and you will see what I mean. Now if let's suppose there are two variables a and b, or there are two conditions, that is both the switches are off, or there are two doors, or you can say anything which is indicating two possible conditions. So 0 0 output is 0, 0 1, that is one of the condition is okay and other one is not okay, or it is 0, it is 1. Similarly 1 0 is 1 and 1 1 is 1. So in three conditions wherever one of the condition is 1, in three cases one of the condition is 1, then output is 1, and only when both the conditions are 0, then output is 0. Okay. Next you see the symbol as it is marked in red, written in red, OR gate. So this is the symbol which you will confirmed many times during this course. Now let's see the application, and here I would advise you that whatever you study in any subject, try to implement it in the laboratory. But you will say that it's not possible. Fine, I agree with you that it's not possible. Well, it is not possible, then at least try to implement it on a piece of paper, that is try to do some brainstorming and just design it on the paper. Later on I will give you a design procedure where you can say you don't have to do brainstorming, but you have to adopt a proper procedure for designing a particular project. Anyway, so we come to the application of this OR gate, and this is suppose an electrical chamber where basically the semiconductors and the ICs etc. They are being made. So in this chamber there are two conditions. One is a temperature transducer and other is a pressure transducer. Okay. Now transducer is, as you know, something which converts your mechanical energy into the electrical energy, or you can say analog into the digital energy or digital signal, like your sound, like your voice, your vibration, your position, etc., etc., your temperature, pressure, things like that. Now this voltage Vt is being fed to a comparator, and you have studied in the electronics comparator, they are being designed with the help of operational amplifier, and famous operational amplifier 741 you must have studied during your electronic course. And obviously 1 voltage is the reference voltage VTR, and similarly let's say the Vp, that is the voltage corresponding to the pressure that is being fed to the other comparator, and obviously the voltage of reference voltage of the pressure corresponding to the pressure is VPR. Let's suppose that these both voltages, which are the reference voltage, they are 5 volt. That means that till the time our Vt and Vp they are 5 volt, it's okay, nothing alarming in that. But the moment the temperature or the pressure they start increasing, and the voltage Vt and Vp that also starts increasing, then obviously there is an alarm. The both voltages will be compared, in the respective comparators, and it will generate the conditions, or any one, if let's suppose it is more than 1 1 0 1 or 1 0, and the output will be there and will fed to the alarm, and alarm will be on, and obviously the supervisor he will be uh, forced to take certain actions, that is the precautionary measures. Okay, next we come to the AND gate. Now AND is basically a multiplication operation, and here the output is 1 only when all inputs are 1, and output is 0 when any one input is 0. Now you can see in these all these you can say circuit symbols, the gate symbols, the AND gate marked with red. Now conditions are that 0 0 the output is 0, 0 1 the output is 0, 1 0 the output is 0, 1 1 the output is 1. That means as against the opposite to the OR gate, the output is 1 only when both the conditions are met, that is 1 1. Now let's see the application of AND gate. I have designed one for you, but you can design any application. It is not very difficult. The father goes to the school to collect his child. He has to enter a CNIC and child's school card in the card reader machine. Only then he will be allowed to enter the school. That is the bar, etc. That will be lifted. So let's see. Now 0 0, if he doesn't put anything, obviously the bar will be there. 0 1, it is 0. 1 0, it is 0. Now 1 1 is 1, that is when he enters both the card the CNIC and the child school in the card reader machine. Only then the bar will be lifted and he will be allowed to enter the school. Next we come to the NOT gate. And what is the NOT gate? That whenever you feed any condition, that is, or any variable in that, it is inverted. That is 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0, as you can see, and you can see the symbol of the NOT gate also written in red in the diagram. It is called inverter also, and circuit always has one input and its logic level is always opposite to this input. Now some of the friends try to see that can 2 or 3 or 4 or any number of variables at a time be inverted? No, there is no such thing as inverter more than one input. Always remember, when let's suppose that there are variables a plus b plus c plus d plus e, etc., etc., then if all of them are to be inverted, then they that we put in a bracket, that is, the sum will be inverted, not you can say that individual will be inverted. Now we see the logical circuit described using the Boolean operations. Now if you see here in the first the upper diagram, we have connected an OR gate, and then with the AND gate, AB fed to the OR gate, result as A or B. Then here C joins in and both are ANDed, and Y is equal to A or B dot C. Now here you have to be very careful in the beginning and try to learn these things. If you learn this thing, I can assure you there will be no problem when the complicated circuits they come. Only you have to understand this. Now here it is normal, you have been doing it, that A plus B I have put it in bracket. That means the bracket has the higher priority as compared to the dot or multiplication operation. So A or B has to be evaluated first, and then their result is to be ended with C. Okay, but if let's say bracket was not there, then B dot C was to be evaluated first, and then the result was to be added with A. Okay, next we come to the lower diagram, and that is AB fed to the AND gate, and we find A dot B, and here then it is fed to the OR gate, and C joins in it is also being fed to the OR gate, and what we get is A dot B or C. Now here again, A dot B obviously is to be evaluated first, and then it is C. But if let's suppose that B or C was in bracket, then B or C was to be evaluated first, and then it was to be ended with A. Okay. Again we see inverter being fed to the OR gate, and then similarly a B variable being fed to the OR gate. So A fed to the inverter becomes A complement. Now you can put the bar also, and you can put this, you know, apostrophe comma also. So A dot B, A dot and B, you know, A bar, B and B, they are being fed to the OR gate, and Y is equal to A bar or A complement or B. Okay, as simple as that. Now two variables being fed to the OR gate, that is reverse of it, AB, it will be A or B, and A or B combined when it is being fed, then obviously the result will be Y is equal to A or B within bracket, and then it is complemented. Now I have intentionally put the bracket here because just to indicate that A or B are, you know, addition, that is the total sum is being inverted, as we were saying. There is nothing known as inverter with more than one input or more than one output. Now in this particular case we take a slightly detailed circuit, that is A is being fed to the inverter, it becomes A dash or A complement, then it is being fed to the AND gate, and then B variable and then C variable, they are being fed and it becomes A complement BC, and then the C variable and D, they are being fed to the OR gate, and it becomes C or D, and that is being fed to the inverter. So C or D within bracket all complement, then A dot BC is being fed to the OR gate, and C or D whole complement is being fed to the OR gate, and Y is equal to A complement BC or within bracket C plus D whole complement. So this is a slightly detailed circuit. So this is how we evaluate the circuit. Now this is what all I had to say, and if you have liked my this video, then please subscribe my channel, share it, like it, and give it to your friends, and you will be inshallah getting more videos also on the DLD. Thank you very much.